Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and disable personal hotspot so discovery works. Once done, open Control Center or Finder and set Airdrop to everyone. This bypasses contact-only restrictions without signing in. Make sure both screens are unlocked and devices sit close together. You do this because Airdrop uses peer-to-peer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to form a private connection. Enabling everyone simply allows discovery, not account access, so you can proceed immediately. Now initiate the transfer from the sending device. Pick the photo, document, or file, tap Share, and choose the Airdrop tile for the nearby device. If the recipient does not appear, toggle Bluetooth or switch Airdrop visibility off and on to refresh discovery. You may also wake the receiving screen. Once the recipient's name shows, tap it and wait for the accept prompt. On the other device, press accept. You will see a progress indicator. Keep devices awake until it finishes. To finish, confirm the file landed in the right app, photos for images, files/downloads for documents, and then disable everyone if you want tighter privacy. If the transfer fails, first restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, then retry with Airdrop set to everyone. This clears discovery glitches. If problems persist, use a web LAN tool like Snapdrop, email the file, or connect with a cable for a wired transfer. That single troubleshooting tip will fix most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.